Pandas DataFrame.groupby with a tolerance. Given the following bit of some data, which results in the following data frame. I'd like to group the length column based on a plus tolerance. Doing so would give me the following groups, something like the swader code below, which would result with a grouping similar to the one below. Looking around, folks have suggested using PD-cut and predefining bins. However, given the true size of my dataset and the variability of the lengths, pre-computing the bin ranges seems to be a bit of a brute force solution. Does anyone out there have a more elegant, fast, Pandas, numpy-esque solution?
I'd suggest using the interval tree package on PyPy instead of a Pandas numpy-esque solution. The idea is to add each length plus tolerance interval to the interval tree, having the interval map to the associated object. Then, iterate over the lengths and query the interval tree. This will give you all of the objects that have a tolerance interval containing the queried length. The result dictionary is as follows. It's not quite in the format you specified, but it should be straightforward enough to make any changes to the format that you need.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.